Future of Matic and Wbtc-Weth and Wbtc-Wmatic. Can this LP give a 100x return? Hi all and welcome. Matic has been doing good recently, and most DeFi protocols are enabling Matic in their protocol after Ethereum and Binance Smart Chain integrations. Matic has been really fast and very low on fees as well. A lot of people may complain that Matic is not fully decentralized or something, but we all know for sure that it will be even more decentralized with time. The long-term picture for Matic looks very solid. Lots and lots of new DeFi protocol keeps integrating Matic into their system, and more the integration higher the monopoly of Matic for the long term. In crypto, the earlier you start, higher your odds of being a monopoly. Just look at Bitcoin and Ethereum. People are still paying $5 to $10 transaction fees on Ethereum just because they created their project on the Ethereum network initially. Patience is the virtue of a successful investor. Just taking unnecessary leveraged trades can get you wrecked. Not doing anything in this market is the hardest thing to do as an investor, but that is not what happens actually. Look at all these trading platforms with 50x and 100x leverage. It is very tempting to take 100x leverage when there are no restrictions to do so. It is exciting to see your invested capital increase to 100x. Capital going from $1,000 to $100,000 is exciting just to get liquidated. An investor is interested in doing all the hard work he needs to do to find a good token, but when the price goes upside down, the investor cannot keep his cool. He might even be a good value investor who bought the token at the right price, but without proper emotional management, it is very hard even for a good and successful investor to make any profit. The problem is that people are addicted to the price, and that is what creates problems. Warren Buffett doesn't even look at the price every month. Addiction to not thinking clearly, addiction to doing the things old ways, and not thinking logically to invest is at the grassroots of every investor's portfolio disaster. Addiction to taking decisions fast and not doing the actual valuation of crypto is always dangerous when you are buying something. This kind of attitude not only damages your financial health but also your health, because ultimately loss in a portfolio creates stress, which is at the root of every disease in your body. Your investing strategy should be such that it should allow you to hold your quality LPs to tokens or tokens for a long term without getting liquidated, or should help you to avoid any previously mentioned investing behavior. Now, we will talk about another unique fund and how it can give you a 100 times return. You must be wondering, how can a simple liquidity pool of Wbtc-Weth and Wbtc-Wmatic can give me 100x return? The max I can get is 5x or 10x if I buy at the bottom. Well, that is not true. You can get more than 10x returns. What if when you invested in such a fund the AUM, asset under management of the fund, is only $1,000, and after you invest the AUM goes to $1 million USD? Well, that is 1,000 times return. And what if you buy the share at 1/1000th price or right before the fund flies? This is exactly the way to grow your investment 1000x without risking anything. Now the bigger question is, what is the downside? There is virtually no downside. All you have to do is invest in the fund which you think can grow, or at least you can help it grow, and the profits will be shared back with you. You can invest in the fund here. Please join our Telegram group to find out which funds are eligible for profit sharing. You can also guide us to design the fund you want to create just by chatting with us on Telegram. To find a fund that can grow 100x requires a lot of hard work and a lot of skills. Let's assume you have social media followers, and if you want them convinced that, hey, I have created this fund on long-term coin protocol and I want you to invest in it, then it will require hard work from your side to convince them. It will require hard work from your side to create and suggest 10 or 20 different funds which can help you and the fund grow. Without hard work, nothing is going to allow you to be rich and successful in the world of investing. I want you to join our Telegram group and tell us exactly what type of fund you want to create and grow. To invest in Wbtc-Weth and Wbtc-Wmatic fund on Enzyme Finance, click the link mentioned in the description. Enzyme Fund. app.enzyme.finance. If you really like this content, please join our Telegram group and let's start creating funds together which can grow. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to this content.